Hello students. In previous video I taught you magnetic field due to a circular coil on its axis. So students, the formula for magnetic field due to circular coil on its axis is given by B equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2 pm by a square plus x square to the power 3 by 2. A is radius of circular coil through which some I current is flowing. C center. X is the distance at which formula for this magnetic field has been calculated, and R is this distance. The value of mu naught by 4 pi is 10 to the power minus 7. This Pm is what? Magnetic dipole moment. Magnetic dipole moment. And its value is NIA. NIA. Its value is NIA. N is total number of turns, I is current, A is area of this circular coil, and its area is given by formula pi r square. So student, you can write it. This is a very important formula based on this topic. Magnetic field to a circular coil at its axis, which is at a distance x from its center at point P, and its magnitude is given. Student, direction of this magnetic field at this point will be along this direction. बच्चों dv डैश cos थीटा कैंसिल हो गया था, dv डैश sin थीटा की वैल्यू इधर आई थी, उसी को मैंने dv माना था, उसी का डायरेक्शन b है. So direction of magnetic field due to the circular coil at its axis is ठीक for this type of current in which current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction from point P. So magnetic field will be away from the circular coil in this configuration. And this Pm is what? Magnetic dipole moment. Written. Its unit is ampere meter square. Now student, we will do one numerical based on this topic. This is question number 2 of today's class. So student, question number 2. An electron is revolving on a circular path of radius 10 angstrom with speed 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Find magnetic dipole moment. Find magnetic dipole moment. So student, you can write this question. I have taken variables similar to previous question, but final question is changed. In the previous question I asked about magnitude of magnetic field, but in this question dipole moment of this system has been asked. So we have to find magnetic dipole moment. We are going to find magnetic dipole moment Pm. See how can we solve it. So student, radius is given, speed is also given, and we have to find magnetic dipole moment Pm. See how can we solve it. Student, as I told, the formula for magnetic dipole moment is NIA. If there is no number of turns, we can write n equal to 1. So formula for Pm will be I into A. Student, with the help of this radius, one can find this area. So area will be calculated by formula pi r square. Radius is 10 to the power minus 9, calculated into meter, and it's a square. So pi r square. So the value will be pi into 10 to the power minus 18 meter square. So in this formula, the value of area will be calculated by this formula pi r square. The radius is 10 to the power 10 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, which is equal to 10 minus 9 meter. So pi r square, pi into 10 to the power minus 18 meter square. Now we have to find current. In previous question, I have given a formula for current, that is I equal to E by T. E is charge of electron, T is 2 pi r by speed v. So it will be equal to EV by 2 pi r. So student, we can find the value of current by this formula. The value of E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Speed is 10 to the power 6. The value of speed is 10 to the power 6. Pi have value 3.14, you can write in terms of pi, and radius is given 10 to the power 10 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, which is equal to 10 minus 9 meter. So student, one can find the value of current by this calculation and area by this calculation. So you can substitute area, you can substitute current, and then you can find magnetic dipole moment. So these type of problems are very important in class 12 physics for both point of view as well as for competition point of view. Very important, write it. Thank you.